The Cargoe Ei4 is a luxurious folding electric model. Compared with competitors in the same category and size, the folding volume is the smallest and the unfolding speed is super fast. Boasts more than 10 patented Dahon technologies, highly competitive pricing, bringing riders big features in the smallest package. Curved frame lines stand out in the crowd, elegant and smooth. The double beam structure ensures uniform force distribution, making for a stronger and more rigid bike. The Cargoe's frame is 216% stronger than other similar products. Frame and front fork are made of aviation aluminum. Precision welding ensures a solid frame with a strong folding design that is both stiff and agile. Safety catch design means secure riding, super fast removal and assembly of pedals. Pedals stow near the seat post for convenient and practical access. Rear wheel roller rack for easy transportation and luggage carrying. Double protection in the form of a front anti-dropping device and folding chain tensioning mechanism. Riding or folding, dropping the chain is not a worry. Sturdy, squared Eiffel handle post improves riding stability. Strong folding structure is stiff and agile. Safety catch design means secure riding. Super fast removal and assembly of pedals. Aluminum alloy seat, easily adjustable to suit an array of riders across varying heights and weights. High-performance electric system. Electric power assist with central axis torque sensor. The 1.5 kilogram front hub motor is lightweight, compact, and highly efficient. LCD display accommodates 5 levels of electric assist and automatic sleep function. Front-wheel electric drive ensures the riding experience is simple, convenient, and effortless. Hidden control system doesn't disrupt the sleek and nimble design. Lightweight 1.6 kilogram detachable battery with anti-theft function. The stunning frame is easily transportable. Imported battery can be quickly charged on or off the frame, taking just 3.5 hours to reach full charge. A max range of approximately 50 kilometers is complemented by an intelligent battery management system, communication, and sleep functions. Beautiful matte finish in 3 colors and IP65 waterproof rated, perfect for riding rain or shine. Dahon customized brake system, reactive braking even on wet roads, internal 4-speed transmission, precise speed shifting, stable and maintenance-free, 46T chainring with 16T flywheel. Ride comfortable and briskly. Folded size, length 64 centimeters, width 38.5 centimeters, height 63 centimeters, weight 12 kilograms, max load including rider 100 kilograms. Dahon is a brand with more than 40 years pedigree. Guinness World Record title for world's largest manufacturer of folding bikes, more than 500 multinational patents. Most folding bikes worldwide owe their heritage to Dahon's DNA. Collaborations welcome, accept no imitations. Born from Dahon's awesome folding technology, with consistently excellent quality. Other products cannot compare. Choose Dahon.